Our project is to design a modular water treatment plant for the Six Nations of the Grand River Reserve, located just southwest of Brantford, Ontario. I, Josh Godzes, will be presenting on behalf of Aidan Belding, Caitlin Wager, and Leah Davis. So the issue is that the cisterns on site, they've been contaminated, mostly with E. coli, and as such, the residents of the reserve have had insufficient access to clean water for about 25 years now. This is an issue, as clean drinking water, it's a fundamental right for all. It aligns with the UN Sustainable Development Goal 6 and 12 for clean water and sanitation, as well as responsible consumption and productive, respectively. So our plan is to design a water treatment facility that is able to be transported and situated on site, the reserve. Essentially, our goal is to filter their source water in their cisterns to be clean to provincial standards, while filtering enough volume to support the potable water requirements of the reserve. It's important that the residents of the reserve are able to operate and maintain the plant, so reliability is essential. And another important quality is scalability. Comes with the modular design. As the community grows, we want to be able to add more capacity to the treatment plant, so we'd be able to add maybe another modular plant. Lastly, portability of the module is important. This is for delivery to the remote area. So our solution, or water treatment plant, it employs ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis filters to eliminate fine particles and microorganisms, so the contaminants from the source water. So these contaminants could be sand, E. coli, even metals like uranium and lead are found in the water. So we also put chlorine in it. We disinfect it just to make sure that once we clean the water, it stays clean. So how the process works, first a chemical agent is added, just encouraging all the contaminant, the solid particles in the water to stick together. This is called a coagulant. So next, the water passes through the first of two filters, and the larger solid particles, the ones that are stuck together, are removed from the water stream. Next, the water stream passes through the second filter, a specialized filter, the reverse osmosis one. And now finer solids and as well the chemical agent, the coagulant from earlier, is removed. Lastly, chlorine, as mentioned earlier, is added to the clean water just to prevent recontamination. So our water treatment plant, it's forecasted to provide water at a lower price than bottled water. Meanwhile, it'll prevent diseases as the residents can be sure that the water is clean. Having a modular plant on site, it improves operation as firstly, the water is on site, it's accessible. Secondly, it'll open jobs in the community for maintenance and operation. Having it as a modular design, it also allows easy scalability in the future. So whenever the community grows, we just have to add another module. Lastly, the process will be energy efficient. Solar panels could be used just to. Thank you for listening.